So we will type import Pygame and then pygame.init. This will initialize Pygame so we can use it. Now we will give the width and height of the display. For that you have to type pygame.display.set mode, and then we will give the width and height. In my case 600 and 500. Now we will make a variable called game on. It will be a boolean, either true or false, because we want to keep the game on from the beginning, obviously. So we will keep it 1. And then we will make a loop. It's a while game on, then it's a for event in pygame.event. We will look for events. For event in pygame.event.get. And then if event dot type, that is the type of the event. If it is pygame dot quit, that means if the user quits, then they have to make game on false. And when that happens, we will exit this loop. At this time there is nothing that happens after exiting the loop, so we will say pygame.quit. We quit the game and simple quit. We quit the code too. So now let's run this, and as you can see it works. You see a window here, and if I click the cross and it exits. Now this loop is the most important part of Pygame, and which if you don't understand, you won't be able to make anything in Pygame. This loop begins. What this line does is it checks for events, and if that event is quit, then you will quit the game. You can add dozens of events. This is the basis of every game in Python Pygame. So guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.